I'm Colin McClelland, Editor-in-Chief of the Northern Miner. I'm in London at the International Metal Symposium, and I'm with Lake Victoria Gold CEO Marc Cernovitch. Marc, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Marc, I just heard a bit of your talk in the main room about Lake Victoria Gold and the Imwelo project. Can you tell me a bit about that? It looks like you're going to construction soon, you hope, and you've got some exciting drill results.
Yes. We recently acquired the Imwelo project. It is a fully permitted, shovel-ready project. Was developed by a private Australian group. We closed on it in February of this year. It's a relatively small resource of 300,000 ounces, but at some very attractive grades, open pittable, average grade of 2.25 grams. But our first starter pit area, which is the first 2 years of production, has a very nice grade of 3.7 grams. So we're currently, assuming you can edit stuff out, the average drill depth of Imwelo from the historical operators was only 50 meters. So some very good exploration potential at depth, which is the focus of our current drill program, testing continuity of the deposit at depth. First results, which were announced last week, were successful, showing continuity down to 250 meters.
Great, and you're hoping to go, construction next year. And capex seems pretty low at 15 million American, and you have a local partner kind of involved too.
Yes, as part of the current work program, we're doing the drilling to test continuity at depth. Also some geotechnical drilling to optimize pit design. But probably most importantly is finalizing engineering and updating the capex and opex numbers from the 21 pre-feasibility study. That's all expected to be completed early in the new year,
right.
And then move to a construction phase, and estimating the capex to be at $15 million US. And about a 12-month construction period.
Fantastic. Yeah. Let's. Sorry.
Yeah. On the local partner side, and this actually came about from the Imwelo acquisition. There's a number of mining contractors in Tanzania.
Right.
We went to all the big ones for bids on the mining contracting work for Imwelo. But the largest mining contractor is Taifa Civils and Mining, which is owned by Rostam Aziz, who's the original Tanzanian dollar billionaire,
okay.
Very influential in the country. And essentially we walked in for a bid on some contracting work and walked out with a significant shareholder and partner on our current projects, but more importantly, to look at further acquisitions following our model of growth and consolidation in Tanzania.
That's fantastic. Now let's pivot to Tembo. We've got a bit of excitement there. It's next door to Barrick's Bulyanhulu mine there, and it's kind of exciting. 15 meters at 23 grams and some drilling. Tell me about what's going on there.
So Tembo is our flagship project. It's located, we're contiguous to the largest deposit in Tanzania, which is Barrick's 20 million ounce Bulyanhulu deposit, which is an absolutely amazing deposit. And that whole geological structure continues right into our ground. So right. We've completed over 50,000 meters of drilling there with a lot of Bulyanhulu lookalike intercepts, but with some bonanza grade results like that 15 meters at 23 grams. We also we did an interesting transaction with Barrick in 2022 where we sold them some of our non-core claims, but retained some upside where we get paid on discovery, not on production, but on discovery, including indicated and inferred ounces that they find on the claims that we sold them.
So that sounds like a good project there too. Maybe you want to wrap up with maybe a 30-second pitch to investors of why they should be interested in Lake Victoria Gold.
In this gold price environment,
Right.
with Imwelo moving to production, in the next, by the early 2027, within the next kind of 12 to 18 months, we're looking at cash flows on an annual basis that exceed our market cap today.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Marc Cernovitch, CEO of Lake Victoria Gold, thanks very much for stopping by. I'm Colin McClelland, Editor-in-Chief of the Northern Miner in London at the International Metals Symposium. Thanks for watching.